Hi! In this video we will see how you can import your clients or products in your D1 management software. First of all, if you have not already done it, you have to download Windows app, log in and open your database. Let's go to Options. Select Data Importers. After Open File and click on the Excel file containing the data we want to import. Next, we have to select the table where to import the data. So, if we want to import clients, we select Clients. If we want to import products, we select Items. For each column we want to import, we have to select the fields where to save data. In my case, the first column contains the company name of my client. So I will select client name, then billing address, email, telephone, and so on. If I have already entered some clients and therefore one of these may already be present, I need to check Key App on the reference column, for example, client name. This will allow the software to check if there are some value with the same data and to update it without creating duplicates. If, as in my case, you have a header row or anyway a row you don't want to import, just select it and click on Exclude Row. After setting all the parameters, just click on Import at the top and confirm. All the data have been imported. For any information or concern, do not hesitate to contact us at info@neos4.com. Thank you for watching the video. We wish you a good work and we will refer you to the next video.